Hi everyone, welcome back to Life of Rainbow. I'm so happy you are here. If you are new, hi, I'm Life of Rainbow, and this channel is all about turning hair into pure colorful art. Today we are talking about one of my absolute favorite look, our rainbow hair dye. Yes, multicolored hair full of life, creativity and bold vibes. So what exactly is rainbow hair dye? Well, it's when we mix not just one or two shades but a whole spectrum of colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, even pink, all blended together in one gorgeous masterpiece. It can be bring a loud, soft and pastel or even hidden under your top layer for a surprise pop of color. There's literally no limit how you can express yourself, and honestly, rainbow hair is more than just a style. It's a statement, it's confidence, it's you choosing to live in full color. Each color has its own meaning too. Red is fire and passion, yellow brings joy and energy, green adds freshness and balance. Blue is calm and cool, purple is powerful and creative, and pink, well, pink is just pure fun. And the best part, you don't have to follow any rule. You can create your own color story however you feel, whatever inspired you. So in this video I'm going to show you how rainbow hair dye works, the different style you can try, and some tips to keep those colors bright and beautiful for as long as possible. And if you are thinking about trying itself, do it. Life is too short for boring hair, right? Make sure to hit that like button if you love colorful hair as much as I do, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, because here at Life of Rainbow we celebrate self-expression, creativity and living out loud, one stand at a time. And I wanted to take a minute, maybe more than a minute, to talk to you because none of this would mean the same without you all here. Every single comment, message, like, or even just someone quietly watching from the background. Thank you. You have been a part of this journey, whether you realize it or not. When I started this channel, I was honestly scared to put myself out there, scared to mess up, scared that nobody would care. But slowly, as this community grew, I started realizing that there are people out there who do care. People like you who show up, who listen, who laugh with me and sometimes cry with me. That support helped me take steps like this one, silly as it might sound, toward being more me. This rainbow hair is kind of symbolic to me. Each color represents a different part of my personality, a different mood, a different energy. Red of passion, orange for joy, yellow for hope, green for growth, blue for peace, indigo for mystery, violet for creativity. I mean, who does not want all of that on their head, right? But beyond the look, it's the message: be bold, be careful, be you. So whether you are sitting there thinking about dyeing your own hair, started a new chapter in your life, or just needed a little push to try something new, take this as your sign. If I can do it, I can stand here with a little rainbow on my head and feel more confident than ever, then so can you. And I want to hear from you. What's your dream hair color? What's something you have been scared to try but cannot stop thinking about? Drop it in the comments. Let's inspire each other. Before I go, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my rainbow colored heart for sticking with me, for being part of this little community we are building, for showing up. You matter, and if no one told you that today, I'm telling you now. So here to trying new things, to living out loud, to being our most colorful sleeves. Love you all so much. See you in the next video. Stay bright, stay bold, and don't ever dim your shine.